kids, welcome to Kiddo Tales. Today we learn colors name. Let's start. Red, red. Apple is red. Tomato is red. Rose is red. Cherry is red. Strawberry is red. Red apple. Red tomato. Red rose. Red cherry. Red strawberry. Yellow, yellow. Banana is yellow. Duck is yellow. Lemon is yellow. Sun is yellow. Star is yellow. Yellow banana. Yellow duck. Yellow lemon. Yellow sun. Yellow star. Green, green. Grapes is green. Plant is green. Frog is green. Chili is green. Watermelon is green. Green grapes. Green plant. Green frog. Green chili. Green watermelon. Orange, orange. Pumpkin is orange. Orange is orange. Carrot is orange. Ball is orange. Kite is orange. Orange, orange pumpkin. Orange carrot. Orange ball. Orange kite. Purple, purple. Brinjal is purple. Grapes is purple. Plum is purple. Balloon is purple. Hat is purple. Purple brinjal. Purple grapes. Purple plum. Purple hat. Purple balloon. Pink, pink. Tulip is pink. Bag is pink. Lotus is pink. Teddy is pink. Ice cream is pink. Pink tulip. Pink bag. Pink lotus. Pink teddy. Pink ice cream. Brown, brown. Bear is brown. Cup is brown. Giraffe is brown. Owl is brown. Shoe is brown. Brown bear. Brown cup. Brown owl. Brown giraffe. Brown shoes. Black, black. Cat is black. Crow is black. Blackberry is black. Ant is black. Panda is black. Black cat. Black crow. Black ant. Black blackberry. Black panda. Blue, blue. Whale is blue. Genus is blue. Earth is blue. Blueberry is blue. Butterfly is blue. Blue whale. Blue jeans. Blue earth. Blue butterfly. blueberry. Gray, gray. Elephant is gray. Rat is gray. Rabbit is gray. Key is gray. Shoes is gray. Gray elephant, gray rabbit, gray rat, gray keys, gray shoes. So today we learned 10 colors name. Repeat with me. Red, red, green, green, yellow, yellow, orange, orange, pink, pink, purple, purple, blue, blue, black, black, gray, gray, brown, brown. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.